Dear students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 4B and our subject is mathematics. We are in the chapter number 7 entitled as multiples and factors. In the previous video, we have discussed about multiples and the important topic, that is LCM, least common multiples. Today, in this video session, we will discuss about factors, finding factors, how to find factors, that means, and common factors, and another interesting topic and important topic, that is HCF. I will tell you in this video what is HCF. Now let's start with factors. First of all, you have to know about what do you mean by factors. So first of all, the definition. Factors: the numbers that we multiply to get a multiple are called factors of that multiple. And another definition: a factor of a number is completely divisible by that number. So let us choose an example. Suppose 5 into 2 equal to 10. That means 5 and 2 are called factors. They are called factors of the multiples 10, because you are multiplying 5 and 2 and you get 10. So the 10 is the multiples, okay, multiples of 5, or you can say multiples of 2. So both numbers 5 and 2 are called factors. Or you can say, if you divide 10 by 5, you can get 2. If you divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. That means 5 and 2 are completely divisible by 10. So 5 and 2 are the factors of 10. So this is the definition of factors. I am telling again, the numbers that we multiply to get a multiple. So the numbers 5 and 2 we are multiplying to get 10. So 10, in this case, in this example, 10 is a multiple of 5, or you can say 2. So 5 and 2 are called factors of the multiple 10, right? So now let us find the factors of 16. Let us find factors of 16. How to find factors of 16? At first, you multiply 1 by 16, you will get 16, right? If you multiply 2 by 8, you also get 16. If you, now you tell me, 16 is a multiple of 3? No. That means if you multiply 3 by any number, you don't get 16. So that means 16 is not the multiple of 3. Similarly, 4 is a 16. 5, 16 is not a multiple of 5. Similarly, 6, 16 is not the multiple of 6. 16 is not the multiple of 7. Yes, 8 to the 16. But here, now stop. Now you have to stop, because This is already I have done. You can check 2 by 8. You are multiplying 2 by 8. You also get 16. That means when you have to stop, when you see that the terms, that is the multiplication, are repeating again, so the no further multiplication takes place. That means you have to stop. Now what will be the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. Similarly, find out factors of 10. At first, 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10, 3. If you multiply 3 by any number, you don't get 10. Similarly, by 4 you don't get 10. Similarly, 5, yes, 5 2s are 10. But you can check, this is repeating because it is already we have done. So factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. So this is the way to find the factors. Okay, we are finding out factors using multiplication. You can also find out using division method. Okay, now we are doing I want to tell you some properties of factors. Property number 1, a number has a finite number of factors. As I have done before, factors of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. How many factors are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 factors. Now if I ask you, what is the main difference between multiples and the factors? Multiples of the given numbers or any number will be infinite, but factors will be finite, right? Property number 2, 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. For the previous example, factors of 16, 1 and 16, that is the number 1 and the number itself is the factor of 16 also. If I take factors of 10, we have done before 1, 2, 5 and 10. You can check 1 and 10 also the factors of 10. So we can conclude 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number, right? The next property, 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Yes, you can check 1 is the smallest one. Here is also 1 is the smallest one, and the number itself, that is 16, because we are finding out the factors of 16 in this question, and in this question we are finding out the factors of 10. So the number itself is the factors, the greatest factor of every number. Okay. Property number 4, factors of a number are always smaller or equal to the number. Yes, we already checked that factors of number are always smaller or the equal to the number, because factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10, 1 is the smaller, 2 is also smaller, 5 also smaller, but 10 is equal. Clear? The important property number 5, every factor of a number is exact divisor of the number. Yes, so factors of 16, 1 2 4 8 16, 1 is the divisor of 16. That means 1 divides 16 divides 1. Sorry, 1 divides 16. Similarly, 2 divides 16. 4 is also the divisor of 16. 8 also divisor of the 16. Clear? Now I want to find the factors of 26 using division. Factors of 26 using division. You can use any method. So 26 divides 1, you will get 26. 26 divided by 2, you will get 13. 26 does not divide 3, because if you divide by 3, you will get a remainder that is not completely divisible by 3. So 3 is not the factor of 26. Similarly, 4 is not the factor of 26. Similarly, 5 is not the factor of 26. Similarly, 6 is not the factor of 26. 7 also not. 8 also not. And if you check 26, again it will be divisible by 13. You will get 2. Now you stop. It is already have given. Okay. Now you have to stop because factors start repeating. Okay. Factors start repeating. So in this case, factors start repeating because you are getting 2. 2 is also the factor of 26. So when the factors are repeating, then no further division takes place. Okay. So the factors of 26 are 1, 2, 3, not 3, 13 and 26. Okay. These are the only factors of 26. Now let's talk about common factors. So what is the definition? A number that is a factor of 2 or more numbers is called common factor of these numbers. A number that is a factor of 2 or more numbers is called the common factor of those numbers. Clear? So that means a number which exists in both numbers, then the number will be called the common factor of those numbers. Now I am interested about how to find the common factors. So let us take an example. Factors of 9, and you tell me factors of 12. Factors of 9, 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, right? These numbers are completely divisible by 12, so they will be the factors. Okay, or any other numbers are not completely divisible by 9, so they are not factors. So now you tell me which one the common in both. Yes, 1, 3. So the common factors 1 and 3, right? Now let us take another example. Factor of 6 and factors of 24. Factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are all the factors of 24. Now common factors of 6 and 24, you can check 1, 2, 3, 6. So common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these are the all common factors. That means they exist in both, right? Now the interesting topic I'm going to discuss, that is HCF. That means highest common factors. If I take the previous example, that is factors of 6 and factors of 24, you know, 1, 2, 3 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So you have to write the factors of those numbers, then common factors. Common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now highest factor, you have to find out highest common factor. So you have to search which one the highest from the among the common factors. 6. So highest common factor is 6. So HCF of 6 and 24, the answer will be 6. Similarly, if I take this example, HCF of 9 and 12, what will be your answer? Since the common factors are 1 and 3 and 3 is the highest one, so HCF of 9 and 12, it will be 3, right? So go through this video, try to understand how to find out the HCF, how to find out common factors, how to find factors, right? Then next day we will solve exercise. So thank you, keep learning.